Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The pound dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Nvidia is working closely with the US government to ensure new chips for the Chinese market are compliant with export curbs, CEO Jensen Huang said. The California-based artificial intelligence chip designer has commanded more than 90% share of China's $7 billion AI chip market. European leaders plan to warn Chinese leader Xi Jinping that the bloc is prepared to impose new sanctions and trade penalties on his nation unless it acts to address economic frictions and rein in exports to Russia of goods used for its war in Ukraine. EU officials said before a summit in Beijing. BitPay, a leading cryptocurrency payment platform, has unveiled the capability for Litecoin to be used in recharging Microsoft accounts. This notable advancement in cryptocurrency usage demonstrates Litecoin's growing role in fusing digital currency with conventional financial operations.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's industrial production will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Australia's exports at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Eurozone's gross domestic product at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's gross domestic product will be released at 2330 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 1330 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.